I got myself another gift. Let's see. So I was thinking a lot before getting this one because I already have MacBook Pro, the 13-inch one, but the 16-inch one is getting so much attention. So I decided to get it. Let's do a quick unboxing. Oh, just take this off. Let's more, quickly. Get this out of the way. Let's open this part. Come on, open up. This is so tight. We have our MacBook, cable, charging, bunch of stuff that no one really cares about. I don't know why people do it so slow. That's how I like it. Bam. So we got 4 ports, 2 more, headphone, and that's how we call this a quick unboxing. Bam.